popped it. There we go.
You're putting this bitch in my face. I
Take that out,
I'm gonna do you like that. I'm gonna do you like that.
This is round two. Amanda versus Jasmine.
Right.
Round two. Move the beat out. Move the beat out.
Come on. Alright, well, hoes come to me then. Don't try to say my words. Come to me. What you scared of?
What you scared?
What you scared for? I'm a beat ass. You're scared.
I ain't finna do nothing.
You're scared. Holla.
Doing the vegetable.
Holla at me on the next round since you want to be scared.
Bitch, run up this.
Since you want to be scared.
Run up, get done up, Amanda.
Since you want to be scared like the rest of them hoes.
Oh my gosh.
Since you want to be scared like the rest of them bitches.
Run up.
Bet you want to say forget Beechwood.
Like I said, fuck Beechwood. And what? And what? And what? What?
And what?
What are you gonna do about it, nigga? What are you gonna do? Southside till I die. What? What? What?
You so scared.
What?
Bitch, run
What? 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 What?
Run up,
What?
Run up.
You're just standing there. You're just
Run
standing
up,
there.
guys. Why you back? Don't fix your hair.
Okay.
Zeno.
Okay, what?
Zeno, turn that back on.
They unplugged it.
I can't see nothing.
Hold on.
Wait.
Yeah. You're scared. You're scared.
Man, don't scare me this time for real, dog.
Scared, huh?
I'm being...
Damn.
Dang! Oh, hell no, Zeno, plug that shit in. Plug that shit in.
Get that, bro. TV, baby.
Hell no, plug that shit in, nigga. Plug that shit in, man.
They unplugged it over here.
Hurry up.
Nate.
DJ, you're an off-brand bitch.
He don't even whip me.
DJ, you're an off-brand bitch.
He not even whip me. He's like, what the fuck, no Tito?
Boy, you're from Texas, ho.
You're from Texas, bitch.
You're from Texas.
Bitch, okay? Let me go, bitch. Let me go, then, bitch.
Here, Tay, let me stick this in your
Let me go, then, bitch. Let me go. Let me go.
Blow that shit. Bring that shit on, man.
Let me go. No, this is stupid. Let me go, because you're holding my hair. Let me fucking go.
Let me go.
Let me go. Oh!
Dang.
Make sure that don't fall, bro.
Bitch! Alright, let me...
You drop that, BJ, I'm dropping you.
Let me go, bitch. Let me go. Let me go, bitch. I forgot. Move, then. Move. Move, I'm about to move, bitch. You started pushing me, ho.
Talk that hoe before you get up.
You scratched me in my face.
Bring that shit on, man.
You got me. Move, bitch. Move. You scratched me in my face. Me, bitch. You scratched me.
Oh, damn.
Bitch, I said move, bitch. I'm trying to...
Hey, take this one off, Tay. Take this one off.
Move, bro. Let's scratch it. Well, let me go. Shit, I already will let you go. Let's scratch it. Move. Are you done scratching? Let me go. I swear to God, I'm going to let you go. Let me go. Get the fuck off me. Let me go.
Now we get it, baby.
Woo! Look out my ear. Let my ear.
Yeah,
Let me go, bitch.
Oh.
Don't go in the kitchen, man.
Let me go.
Don't go in the kitchen. Back
Watch
up.
out, Zeno, that's
I
your
got
dog.
this left there. I just said let me go, bitch.
Oh, shit.
Bitch, I'm stupid hoe. Move away from me, bitch. If I got a scratch, I might. Move away from me. I told you to move. I don't care about that, shoe. I'm done. I told you to move. Look at what you did in my face. What you did? Move. Look. Move. Move, bitch. I swear to God, move. I told you to stop playing.
I'm gonna knock both of y'all out.
No, look what you did in my move. Look at my face. Move.
Drop that hoe, man.
Give me a knife. Fuck that shit.
Oh, hell no.
That bitch scratched my face.
Oh, she got a spoon and shit. Look at that spoon.
Oh.
I told you. Just fucking told you, move, bitch. How you letting this door go?
This is the top. That bitch is giving it.
I'll get this fucking iron. I got this iron too. Move, bitch, I'm not playing.
You got the plunger.
Man, if you threw that in the toilet.
And what if I did?
Oh, look at your face.
I know. That stupid bitch. Hell no, bitch, you fucking scratch too much, you stupid hoe.
You gotta call your boo J up for that.
No, fuck that shit. For real, I need my purse. Fuck everybody else. I need my fucking purse. Fuck that.
Y'all better start cleaning this shit.
I have a peanut.
And we out, bitch.